Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be comparing diecast versus plastic model kit, and the car that we are comparing is the Rover SD1. Okay, first, the blue car is a plastic model kit, completely plastic, rotating wheels, and I paint this myself. It's not smooth. Paint the lights, paint this black, paint the wheels black. The kit comes in blue, like the interior, and there are some parts where the glue is smeared. Then we have a look at diecast model. Diecast model came readily built. Okay, the brand is Vanguard's from Lido for the diecast, and this plastic model kit is from the brand Heller, Heller. Of course, diecast model, the paint is smooth, the lights, the logo, the trims are all there, except for this part here. I'm not sure what it is. The wipers, they are all there. So what about cost? Well, the diecast model will eventually cost more than when you buy, it will cost more than the plastic model kit, maybe double the price. But you have to think, when you are building a plastic model kit, you have to buy the paint, you have to buy the glue. So in the end, you end up almost the same in terms of price. In terms of finishing quality, of course, diecast model is better, heavy. Plastic model kit is very light because it's plastic, but you get a sort of satisfaction that you paint this car by yourself, you glue it together, you paint the bits. I painted the wipers, and there are parts that can come off. Then you have to re-glue it. So this is the difference. Some of you may like diecast, some of you may like plastic, or like me, both is okay. Interior of the car is light blue versus a blue color of the car. So tell me what you think. Which one do you prefer? Diecast, plastic model kit? Thank you for watching this comparison. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.